Asheville Tower, update.
Update Asheville Tower.
Update on Alpha 4. There's some Seagulls on the runway just at Alpha 4. I'd like to just proceed on the runway, see if I can clear them.
Update, proceed on runway 35.
Proceed on the runway 35 from Alpha 4. Update.
November 40 X-ray, use caution. There's some Seagulls that are flying around. Looks like they're near Alpha 3, crossing the runway to the west. It's hard to tell.
Alright, we'll be looking for that. We appreciate the advisement for director.
November 40 X-ray, it appears those Seagulls might be on the runway just abeam Alpha 3. So use caution if you want to do a low approach to avoid them, or I can send you around now.
We'll be doing a low approach, maintaining here, and we'll advise what we see as well for director.
Roger.
Pima 5998, 1.9 from Moxie, inbound 3.
Pima 5998, Asheville Tower, runway 35, continue. There's some Seagulls that appear to have landed on the runway near Alpha 3. There's an off vehicle standing by to disperse them.
Pima 5998.
And November 40 X-ray, go around, fly runway heading.
Going around, fly runway heading 9440 X-ray. Tower 40 X-ray can confirm that they are just on the south side of Alpha 3 on the road.
Roger. Pima 5998, they did shoot off some pyrotechnics to try to disperse them. Looks like some of them may have flew off, but some of them are still around there. Did you want to continue with the approach?
Yeah, we'll continue.
Pima 5998, roger, runway 35, clear to land, wind 340 at 16, gust 20.
35, clear to land, Pima 5998.
Asheville Tower, Blue Streak 5288, RNAV 35.
Blue Streak 5288, Asheville Tower, wind 340 at 16, gust 20, runway 35, clear to land, and use caution, there is some Seagulls that are on or around runway 35 near Alpha 3.
Blue Streak 5288, runway 35, cleared to land, and we'll keep an eye out.
November 40 X-ray, contact departure, thanks for the report.
Contact departure 9440 X-ray.
Pima 5998, right turn Alpha 4, taxi to park via Alpha, and let us know if you have any bird strikes there. I don't see any, but just let me know.
Alpha 4 and Alpha to parking, yeah, the 40,000 pounds of airplane made them fly away before we got there.
Yeah, they were like, that's a big Seagull.
What color is white to match?
And no need to respond for Blue Streak 5288. Some of the Seagulls did fly off when the last arrival landed, and I think some of them may have returned somewhere on the runway. It's hard to tell, but I think a lot of them did fly off as well.
Or even bigger.
Update, proceed on runway 35.
Yeah, to runway 35,
Blue Streak 5288, right when able, taxi to park via Alpha on this frequency, and just let me know if you had any bird strikes.
Yeah, it's 2 rights, we'll take it to park, and yeah, we at least smashed one there for 5288, probably more.
Guess they're more intimidated by that RJ9.
Bigger challenge.
Update, yeah, there was one bird that was hit. I'll take care of it right now.
Roger. And Blue Streak 5288, just let me know if there's any damage that you want to report to us as well.
Yeah, we'll let you know here once we get in. Hey, Tower, Blue Streak 5288.
Blue Streak 5288, Tower.
Hey, we absolutely crushed that thing. It smashed our radar, man. So yeah, not good.
Blue Streak 5288. Roger, what was the equipment that you got broken there?
Right into the radome, like the radar housing, and like right smack on the nose of the airplane.
And Blue Streak 5288, roger, thank you.
We'll be looking for other damage, but that one was the pretty obvious one.
Blue Streak 5288, roger, I'll log that in our report there, and if you have any other damage that you want to report, just give me a call back.
Roger.